Hi, I'm here with.
I'm Ren
John?
And Alvaro.
Where are you guys from?
from Philippines.
Nice. Okay, guys, do you rather have an itch but you can't scratch, or have a sneeze but you can't sneeze?
A few moments later.
Bitter.
It's better to not able to scratch.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, all of you are the same, not able to scratch, but you'll be walking like this, though. But
You can control.
yeah.